Hey guys, this is Layla Melgosa doing Mission Report 6, Mars. And we talk about the location. So, Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. And so, Mars is right here. You can see compared to all the other planets, it's pretty small. And Mars is also right here, but you get to see it from a different angle and perspective. The orbital period is 687 days. Mars is in between Earth and Jupiter. Mars' rotation is 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 35 seconds. Mars travels at an average speed of 53,979 miles per hour around the Sun. It rotates counterclockwise, and yes, you can see Mars in the sky at night with the naked eye because of their brightness, and no, I did not see Mars. So now we talk about Mars surfaces. So Mars has a red appearance. It is twice as bright as Sirius, the brightest star. Mars has a diameter of 4,200 miles, half the diameter of Earth. And the absence of water and life, if it had evolved on Mars, we learned from that its very well organized strata is the heartbeat of the planet's climate cycle. The rhythmic alternation of layers that creates a record of past climate change on Mars, which is these. These little like squiggly lines show like the different climate, and you can see the red appearance of Mars, and you can see the rocks, and you can see how it's like red dusty. Alright, and then the Mars Exploration Rover mission is an ongoing robotic space mission involving two Mars rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, which is this guy. I call him Wally, even though that's not his name, but he looks like him. The mission I chose was Mariner 4. The mission duration was 3 years, 23 days. The launch date was November 28th, 1964. The end of the mission was December 21st, 1967. It was designed to conduct close-up scientific observations of Mars and to transmit these observations to Earth. After being launched, Mariner 4 performed the first successful flyby of Mars, returning the first pictures of the Martian surface. It captured another planet ever returned from deep space. It also changed the view on scientific community of life on Mars. And so what are my thoughts? I believe that we need to keep researching until we for sure know every little detail about Mars. Then I believe that humans should go and even live on Mars. It could be a fresh start for everyone, and we can actually take care of the planet instead of destroying it like we have on Earth. It would definitely be hard to start living in a completely new planet, but it would definitely be an adventure. And this is how it would look if we did, or at least an idea of how it would look like if we did move into Mars. And it's another idea, and this is my reference.